President Muhammadu Buhari arrives at the Ekeledo International Airport in Enugu on his way to neighboring Ebonyi State, southeast Nigeria. The president and his entourage are received by Ebonyi State Governor Umahi, his Enugu State colleague Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, alongside top politicians from the southeast region of the country. Airport ceremony is over. The president headed straight to commission the multi-billion naira King David University of Medical Sciences located in Uburu, Governor Umahi's hometown. From Uburu, the president's trail moved to the yet-to-be-completed Ebonyi International Airport at Onueke, where he commissioned the 5-kilometer dual-carriage airport road as well as the airport's presidential lodge. Thereafter, President Buhari proceeded to Abakaliki, the state capital, where he inaugurated the reconstructed St. Margaret Umahi National Market Complex, the new government house, and the new presidential lodge. Other projects inaugurated on the first day of the president's two-day visit include the new ESCO chamber and the newly built First Lady's office named after Aisha Buhari. The Nigerian leader rounded off the day with the inauguration of the Muhammadu Buhari 4-way light tunnel flyover and the Ebonyi shopping mall. Speaking to AIT on the sideline, Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma says the visit of the president has raised fresh hopes for the people of the southeast of Nigeria.
Southeast, of course, you know, the president is always welcome to southeast. It's part and parcel of this zone and this region. And he has been so supportive since the challenge of insecurity started in southeast.
Kelechi, Ekeledo, AIT News, Abakaliki.